working on the bike over here, and I'm gonna move some stuff around. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. See the nice triple? Sorry. Oh no! Did I scratch it? I put a boo boo in it. Just kidding. Probably scratched the bolt. I just hit more than anything else. Here's the top plate. I need to find out if that's already in there. I need to know if that is in there. The two little. It appears. It appears that the little cups that go in there, which I'll show you, all balls. Oh, look, see? All balls racing. The little things, caps that go in there, appears it's already in there. I don't know if I should just take it out or what. Oh, should I tap that in there? Oh, I think I honestly think it's been powder coated in place. Why bother, right? If the thing broke, don't fix it. Now there's an outer seal. I'm not really sure how this goes. There's this thing here. These I know go in here. That's the. Let me put this over here for now. Here's the bearings. Which go, I'm assuming bearing goes in there. Oh, bearing goes in there. Let's see. Do I know what I'm doing? Not really. I gotta get another camera mount for here. This is the bearing. Okay, that's the race and that's the bearing. That goes through there. So, hold on. Let me check here. Alright, folks. This little thing is supposed to go in here. And on the other side, there's another one that goes in here like so. It's extremely tight. It goes in there also. I'm assuming I need a block of wood or something and hammer in there. Yeah, it's gonna have a. I know I'm not doing this right. I should get a brass hammer, so I should do. Don't forget the brass taxes. Pretty sure it's not how it goes in there, but it's working. All the way. Oh, looks like it. Any space in there? Perfect. There's no space under here. I don't know. I'm not an expert at this, so if I did this wrong, go complain on Facebook. This piece. Maybe some lubrication might help too. Yeah, maybe if I put some grease or something on here. Hold on, let me put this right here for now. Let me see, hold on. Do I know if this is the right grease? No idea. Put it in there. Red and tacky. Is that the right one? Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. That's what I used. Red and tacky. It's grease. You know. Maybe it'll go in better. Maybe it'll go in. Come on, get in there. Shit. Need something flat to hit. This is not. Worst case, I cut it out. Worst case, it works. There you go. It's brass. It shouldn't affect the. All right, there we go. Check that out. It worked. Hear that noise? It's sandblasting sand in there. Where is it? It's stuck in there. So now this side goes over here. Now we're going to see, I'm not putting this on permanently, but I'm going to see if I can lock this up here. There. I'm so excited to do this. Did I do it right? I don't know. Done by like an amateur, pretty sure. Amateur hack job. Amateur hack job. I'm just gonna mock this up in there. Let me get this out of the way so I won't scratch it anymore. Better scratch this damn thing up even more. That over there. Move this out of the way. Parts. And I'm gonna put a piece of rubber in here. This side of the way. This side of the way. Plastic things. This can go there. This goes up in here. I need something to hold this up. Even a little piece of cardboard might work. There we go. That was just temporary. Now the bearings. Where the hell did the seals go now? Does the seal go on the outside or the inside here? I'm wondering. Right here, I think maybe. I think so. I really should look this up before I do it. So yeah, this goes in here, like so. And this one goes in here, like so. Yeah. That goes up in there like that. Angle. Come on. Uh-oh. Ah! That didn't work. Stay up there. So that's the bearing. No, it doesn't go on the outside, does it? It goes in there like that. Something's not jiving. I guess it's not all the way. Alright, let me check this out.